Welcome to Dan the Cleaning Man channel. Today, we're diving deep into cleaning myths, those well-intentioned tips and tricks that everyone seems to swear by. But how many of these so-called cleaning hacks actually work? Stick around because we're about to debunk some of the biggest cleaning myths so you don't waste your time, effort, or money anymore. All right, let's start with one of the most popular ones, using vinegar for everything. Vinegar is often touted as the ultimate cleaning solution, but is it really? The truth is, vinegar can be a great all-natural cleaner for some things, like windows or light grime. But, and this is a big but, it's not a miracle worker. For example, vinegar won't do much for greasy messes. In fact, the acidity can actually make certain surfaces, like natural stone, worse. So, unless you're okay with ruining your granite countertops, you might want to rethink that vinegar bottle. Speaking of household staples, let's talk about baking soda. Now, baking soda does have its uses, deodorizing your fridge or cleaning a mild stain, but mixing it with vinegar? That's a no-go. I know it fizzes and looks cool, but it's not the dynamic duo it's made out to be. When you combine them, the two neutralize each other. So, you're basically left with salty water that doesn't do much cleaning at all. Science, folks. It's important. How about the classic myth, newspapers for streak-free windows? It sounds budget-friendly, right? But let me save you the trouble. It doesn't work as well as you'd think. Modern newspapers are printed with different inks and materials that leave behind smudges, or worse, streaks. If you want streak-free windows, a microfiber cloth is your best bet. Leave the newspapers for the recycling bin. Bleach. Next up, let's tackle the lemon juice cleans everything myth. Yes, lemon juice smells amazing, and it can brighten your sink for sure. But it's not a universal cleaner. Lemon is acidic, which means, like vinegar, it can damage certain surfaces over time. For example, it can discolor wood or weaken marble and stone. Plus, while it smells fresh, lemon juice doesn't actually kill a significant amount of bacteria. So, while it might give your kitchen a zesty aroma, don't count on it as a disinfectant. And here's a controversial one: bleach. It's often thought that bleach can clean anything. But bleach isn't actually a cleaner, it's a disinfectant. There's a big difference. It doesn't remove dirt or grime, so if you haven't cleaned a surface first, all bleach does is sanitize the dirt. You'll want to clean with soap and water first, then use bleach for disinfecting if necessary. Also, keep in mind that bleach can be harmful on some materials like fabrics, and mixing it with other cleaning agents, especially ammonia, is a big no-no. Trust me, the toxic fumes are not something you want in your home. Let's move on to a myth we've all heard. Coke cleans your toilet. It's true that Coke can dissolve some rust and even help loosen grime, but is it the best option? Not really. Yes, it has acidity that works on certain stains, but it's not going to give you a deep clean. Plus, it's sticky, so unless you want a sugary toilet bowl, I'd stick with actual toilet cleaner. Now, I know some of you might think that cleaning products that foam up a lot are better at cleaning. This is what marketing wants you to believe, but it's not true. More foam doesn't equal better cleaning power. In fact, excessive suds can leave residue behind that takes even more time to rinse off. What you really need to focus on is the ingredients, not the bubbles. Ever heard that hot water is always best for cleaning? Let's debunk that too. While hot water can help dissolve grease and some stains, it's not great for everything. For instance, hot water can set protein stains like blood or egg, making them harder to remove. So, it's crucial to know when to use hot water and when cold water is the better option. Now, a myth that's gaining traction is using toothpaste to clean scuffed shoes or even tarnished silver. Yes, toothpaste has mild abrasives, but it's not designed for cleaning anything other than your teeth. Using it on surfaces like shoes or silver can cause micro scratches that worsen over time. Instead, stick to products made for the job. Let's talk about air fresheners. A lot of people think spraying air freshener cleans the air. Well, sorry to burst that bubble, but air fresheners don't clean anything. They just mask odors with stronger smells. If you want to truly clean the air in your home, you're better off tackling the source of the odor and ventilating the space. And if you're looking to freshen up the air, opt for natural methods like opening windows or using an air purifier instead of covering up the smell. Lastly, here's a myth that's pretty misleading. The more cleaning product you use, the better it works. This one might be tempting, but piling on extra product doesn't mean you're cleaning better. In fact, it can leave a residue that attracts more dirt in the long run. Follow the instructions on your cleaning products. They're there for a reason. So, what's the takeaway here? Cleaning doesn't have to be complicated, but it does have to be smart. Stick with what's proven to work, and don't get caught up in the hype of every cleaning trend you see online. That's it for today. I hope we've busted some cleaning myths for you and made your cleaning routine a little easier. If you learned something new, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Dan the Cleaning Man for more practical cleaning tips and tricks. And hey, if you've got any cleaning myths you've heard, drop them in the comments below. We might just tackle them in the next video. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning!